आजकल सबको अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल है, but where I am today, the residents have embraced a healthy lifestyle because the way this smart city is planned, being healthy is just a way of living here. And this smart city not only boasts of a healthy living, but it also comes with luxurious spaces, sports complexes, clubhouses, ample of lush greenery, all in one place. Welcome to Palava, India's #1 smart city. अब जब बात healthy living की आती है, I've got this cycle which is going to be my ride for the day because you don't have to travel too far to get to any point. You can either walk or cycle. So let's go and explore this place. Well, to begin with, the start to a healthy lifestyle is by being surrounded by fresh air, greenery, along with some positive energies. And for that, Palava offers a variety of mind-blowing parks that will make you feel as if you're in the lap of nature. And first up, we're exploring the Riverside Park. The Riverside Park is an open park where you can feel the calmness in the air while you're meditating and performing yoga. And what makes this experience even better is the sound of the river in the background. Next up is the Lakeside Park. It's a vast expanse of land with ample of greenery, fresh air and a jogging track where you can work out, play a sport, meditate or enjoy a mini picnic too with your family. मैंने तो सुना है कि ये जगह आपको सिर्फ हेल्दी ही नहीं बल्कि एंटरटेन भी रखती है क्योंकि यहाँ पर कई कल्चरल इवेंट्स भी होते हैं. So cool, right? और एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं, this city is home to over 20,000 trees, making this carpet of greenery an even better place to breathe in some fresh oxygen. और क्योंकि यहाँ पे डस्ट और पोल्यूशन कम है, यहाँ की हवा हिल स्टेशन की हवा से कुछ कम नहीं. फिजिकल हेल्थ तो जरूरी है पर मेंटल और स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ भी उतनी ही जरूरी है और मन की शांति के लिए यहाँ पर कई सारे मंदिर भी है और यहाँ का शिव मंदिर और जैन मंदिर ने हमें काफी सुकून दिया. And if you're looking to unwind and relax after a tiring day of work, then there's just the perfect place for you. Follow me. Choose to take a relaxing dip inside the pool or get your adrenaline pumping at the gym overlooking the pool. The Grand Clubhouse is apt for anyone who wants to spend some quality time with themselves. And as for me, I would definitely love to come back home to this. And if you really want to take your health and fitness to the next level, then you will certainly love what I'm about to show you. Let's move on to the state-of-the-art Olympic Sports Complex. अब अगर फिट और एक्टिव रहना है तो थोड़ी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? And the Olympic Sports Complex is everything a fitness enthusiast can ask for. They have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a tennis court, a basketball court, and even a badminton and squash court as well. और खास तौर से आजकल के गैजेट फ्रेंडली बच्चों के लिए ये कॉम्प्लेक्स बेस्ट है ताकि वो नई हॉबीज भी डेवलप कर सके. अब मैं पहुंची हूँ पलावा के मेन एरियाज में, which is a 3.5 किलोमीटर सेंट्रल एवेन्यू और यहाँ आपको हर तरह की शॉप्स, डाइनिंग ऑप्शंस और हेल्थ सेंटर्स मिल जाएंगी. And everything you need is available at a short walking distance away from your home. Well, this city is planned in such a way that everything is at a walking or cycling distance. और जब roads इतने vibrant हो तो cycling का मजा कुछ और ही है. And adding to it, these wide roads are perfect for practicing social distancing during these times as well. Well, I am definitely in awe of this place. The beautiful views of the city, lush greenery, clean water of the lake has definitely caught my eye. And this is exactly what healthy living is all about. मैं भी सोच रही हूँ यहाँ पे एक प्यारा सा घर ले ही लूँ. Well, I hope we guys gave you enough reasons to love this city too. Until then, this is me, Bianca Saurashtree. Stay safe, step out responsibly, and most importantly, stay healthy like the residents of Palava.